What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get energy in TEMU hat trick. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly get energy on the free gifts for hat trick? Well, first things first, let's go open up TEMU here and let's go ahead and access the hat trick. So you can either access this in your homepage here on the earn credits and free gifts here, but you can also go to your search bar here and just type in hat trick. That should redirect you to this page here, which in this case, you could go ahead and just start selecting your free gifts. Now, the thing with hat trick here is, in order for you to get your free gifts here, you need to at least get 100 energy for you to unpack one gift. So in this case, what you need to do to get energy here is to just invite friends or family members to join the TEMU platform. Now, if you scroll down a bit here, this is the how to get free gifts here quickly. So these are tips that they recommend you try doing here. So in this case, try sending a link or code and earn energy through that, or use energy to pack gifts in the hat trick gifts here. And once you all three gifts here are unpacked or packed, you can claim three free gifts together. So in this case, just click on invite friend to get free energy here. Invite them in whatever way. So in this case, you have WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram chat here. You have Snapchat and even Facebook here. Or you just click on the copy link here to share this in whatever platform. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.